Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video we will be looking how to configure Arduino IoT cloud and write a code to control two LEDs and get the real temperature of the surrounding. Now let's see how to do this. Okay, this is how Arduino IoT cloud looks like. To get started, you can click here, get start for free. Because I have created an account, I go straight into this account. But if you need, you can just create this account like a Google account. You have to type here Arduino IoT cloud, then enter here and get started for free, and you can create your account. Now you can see in the corner there are sketches, devices, things and dashboards. In sketches we get the code, we can edit the code. In devices we connect the device which we are going to upload the code into. Then the things means the things we are going to control, or things we are like IoT things, and the dashboard. Okay, now to start, first of all we have to create a thing. Go to things, create thing. It's loading. Okay, now you can see we are here. It's untitled, so I'm gonna rename it to IoT CW, and it's renamed. Now I'm gonna add variables. First variable will be LED 1. Select variable boolean, add variable. Now one is LED 1, the other one is LED 2. Select variable boolean, add variable. That's all. The other thing will be temperature. Temperature. The variable will be it need energy. So as you can see here, there are a lot of variables. My variable will be temperature sensor Celsius. Then add variable. Now I have created my variables for my devices, like the LEDs and temperature sensor. Now I'm going to select device, set up new device. You can choose whether if it is your Arduino board, you can choose Arduino board, but it's a third party. I'm using Node MCU ESP8266, and the model is Node MCU 1.0. Continue, and I'm gonna give my device name is Praveen. Next, this is an important thing. You have to I recommend you to download this PDF, because if you lose your key or secret key or device ID, you can get through the PDF. Copy this key, it will be needing. Save, continue. Okay, now we have connected our device. We have created our device, but still offline. To bring it online, we have to configure our network. My Wi-Fi name is iPhone Praveen. Password, give your Wi-Fi's password. Secret key, paste the secret key. Save. Now we have created our IoT thing. Now we are going to go to sketch, and you can see, right, to upload a sketch via USB port, make sure that create agent. Okay, in this part you have to download a thing called Arduino Cloud Agent. Go to the first link. You can see here, I will recommend you to read this. I have already read it, so I'm gonna continue with the video. You can see the open the Now start. You can download here, download for Windows Win. Okay, I have already downloaded, but again I download it. Now open, double click on it, say yes. I'm gonna close this. Next, accept the agreement. Next, 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 finish. You can see here our Arduino agent is running now. Okay, next you can open the web editor, but now I'm not gonna open it. Close it. Okay, now we have created our we have connected our node MC to the application. Now first of all, I'm gonna write the command for my LEDs. Okay, I'm gonna define my ports. That is define, let's say it's light. Oh no, I will make it short. Light L1. The pin is now defining the pin. The pin is D3. I'm gonna define again. Define L2. The pin is D4. Okay, I have defined the pins. Now go into serial pin. Okay, in here I'm gonna define whether it's input or output. The pins are input or output. Okay, we have to define whether the pin is input or output. For that, I have to type, after the delay, go pin mode, open bracket, close bracket. I have defined the L1. Okay. First pin is L1 is a output. Okay. The second one is pin mode L2. It's also an output. Let's close the statement. Close the statement. Okay, now I have defined the ports and the whether it's on input or output. Now I'm gonna go into LED1 and I'm gonna configure, if switch is on, we have to on the LED. If it switches off, we have to off the LED. Now go to LED on LED1, that is our LED1 switch void loop. Now type if, open bracket, close bracket. I'm gonna, you can see it's LED1. I'm gonna copy this, copy, and I'm gonna paste this. Open bracket, close bracket. If it is LED1, I'm gonna type digital right, open bracket, close bracket, L1 will be I. And I'm gonna type a serial pin. So it's not compulsory, it is not mandatory. If you need, you can type p serial print ln serial. Okay, I'm gonna type it as on, close bracket. Now what if it is off? I'm gonna type else, open bracket, close bracket. I'm gonna copy this statement, copy it here, paste. It will be low and the message will be off. This is for the first statement. Okay, for the second LED also I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna copy this second LED is here, enter, clear some space, V, and here I'm gonna enter number 2, LED 2 will be on, LED 2 will be off, else. Okay, now let's see whether it's compiling. After that we can go for the DHT11 part. It's still verifying, let's wait. Still verifying. There's a lot of process to go on, so that's verifying. You can use this open full editor also. It's compiled. You can see there's no error in the code. Now for the DHT11 part, I'm gonna open full editor because this is not enough for me, because I have to add another library, DHT11 library, to get the data from DHT11 sensor. Okay, my LED part is finished. Now what I can do is I have to add a library for DHT11 sensor. I'm using DHT11. For that I'm gonna go to libraries, then I'm gonna go to library manager. I'm gonna type DHT. You can see, right, DHT sensor library. You have to just click on this star, that means it's added, then click done. Okay, it's done. Now for the DHT part, you can just go to examples, you can go to from libraries and you can select DHT, wait, start DHT, DHT, and you can, yeah, DHT tester. There's a test program. You can just take this test program. Okay, in this part we will be needing this one, like we have to include the header file, then we have to define the pin, we will be needing that, then we have to define the type, we will be needing that, then we will be needing this part, and then this is not must, but you can add this, so I will add this too also. Then I will copy this entire loop and copy it on my temperature part. First of all, I will go back in here. You can see that okay, go here, open full editor. I'm gonna open it another editor. Okay, you can see this one is ready. Now I have to include, so include the library, copy this part to include the library, gonna include it after my thing properties header. Then I'm gonna define my pin. Okay, my pin will be DHT pin 2. Okay, then so you can see here, right, it's DHT 22, but my one is DHT 11. So I'm gonna comment this. You can't just comment, you have to first save this somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna do test. Okay, now I'm gonna comment. I'm gonna comment this, and I'm gonna uncomment define DHT type 11. I'm gonna copy that, paste it in here. Then I have to copy this part, DHT. You can type it or you can do like this also, it's your choice. Then I'm gonna copy the serial println and DHT begin, because you can already see the serial begin is already there. I'm gonna copy it after pin mode. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this entire loop part, copy it, sorry, from where should we copy? Yeah, copy it from here. If float, okay, entire void loop part, copy. Then I'm gonna paste it under here, this part, paste here. Can you see? Now I have added my DHT 11 part also. Now let's see whether it's compiling. It is still compiling. Let's see. Let's wait for a while. Okay, it's successfully compiled. You can see there's no error in my code. I have done LED part and I have done the DHT 11 part. So now I have to upload it into my board. So that's why we have installed this one. Okay, I have given yes. I have given yes. Okay, to select that I have to go here, board port 19. I have to select the board, node MCU1. Okay, I have selected that one. Okay, this one is my board. I have selected the board and I have selected the COM port. Now I have to upload the program. My program is getting uploaded. These are the this is the thing part header file. Automatically this get created. You can read this if you need it. There are steps, installation and everything. And then we have that secret key thing. Still getting uploaded. Close this. Okay, writing flash means that it is getting started to upload. You can see one by one starting to upload. 57% is uploaded. %6 is uploaded. Flush complete. That means my board has got the code now. That means I have successfully uploaded the code into my board. Now this part is complete, the coding part, the hard part is complete. Now let's create the dashboard. I'm going to close this. May not be saved, cancel, we have to save first. Okay, new folder, IOT. What? Wait. Control S. Okay, I've saved it. Control S. If. Okay, you can see this one. Now I have to go to home. Now I have to get into dashboards, create dashboard. Now I have to add a switch. The switch will be, name will be LED1 for the LED1 switch. Then link variable will be LED1 link variable. You can see it's done. Add another switch for the LED2. It will be LED2 link variable LED2. It's also Boolean algebra. Done. And I'm going to add another one, the gauge for the temperature part. Okay, link device, so link variable gauge. Done. I have created my gauge and I've connected it to the variables. It's on off. Okay, gonna again open this form in a new laptop. First of all, we created the thing. Here thing is created. You can see thing is created, and we created the dashboard. The dashboard is already here. Okay, now let's see how to plug the how to do the hardware part. Now we are in the hardware part. Now you can see my dashboard. This is my circuit. You can see two LEDs connected to the node MCU. Then you can see my DHT11 sensor. I hope you can understand how to plug. You have to plug the data pins to the data pins. Then you can see here just 3 volt and ground. You have to connect to that. I have connected one ground to here and another ground in here, and I have connected the related data pins. Now here, look, you can see, you can see the both screens. So I'm gonna bring it near. Okay, I hope you can see when I on here on. When I on this, here on. So both LEDs are on. When I get switch off, it's off. When I switch off this, it's off. And you can see the temperature. And like you can see here, I have here it increased, right? I'm holding, so it got some heat and it increased again. Now I have took my hand. You can see it's back. So when I can do that, I'm now holding. You can see it's increasing. So the temperature also working. Yeah, you can see, right? It's increasing. And took it off, took my hand off. It's decreasing. And it's off. And you can see on, off. Okay. So I hope you understood. This is my circuit, and you can see this is my okay. We have come to the end. But in my dashboard I have only showed you temperature, but in my code I have added humidity also. If you want, you can add that another gauge called humidity, and you can get the humidity of the surrounding also. My task was only for temperature, so I did only temperature. Thank you. I hope you have a nice day.